Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a boomerang from camera roll on Instagram. So let's get straight into it. So first, open the Instagram app and from the homepage, swipe right or tap on your profile picture to open stories. And then just tap the gallery or camera roll icon in the bottom left corner to select a photo. So it's important to note that you can only do this with certain types of photos and they're live photos. So the photo needs to be taken as one. And to do that in the camera app here, you need to make sure the live icon in the top right does not have a line through it. And it will say live like so. So now from the camera roll in Instagram here, you will know that it's a live photo if you see the boomerang icon in the top left corner. So just tap on the photo to open it. And now from here, tap the boomerang icon at the top of the screen. Instagram will then automatically convert your live photo into a boomerang. So once the boomerang is ready, you can also add text, music, or stickers if you want. So you can just do that. And when you're happy with it, you can now tap your story to post it. Alternatively, if you want to post it as a regular feed post, just return to your camera roll and select post at the bottom here. Then just select the live photo, then tap the loop option in the top left corner. And doing so will make it as a boomerang. Afterwards, you can now share it on Instagram as a post. So that's it. That's how to make a boomerang from camera roll on Instagram. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.